Hey everyone, this is Mitchell with Option Wolf. Today I wanted to go over one of my favorite tools to use here on Thinkorswim called TTM Squeeze. And it's a very interesting tool because basically the way it works, and it's down here, it's a study put together by John Carter, and this is all in one tool here. But basically the way it works, it'll take Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels to define market conditions. So when the Bollinger Bands are narrower than the Keltner channel, then we have a market squeeze. And when those Bollinger Bands break outside the Keltner channel, then they trade in the direction of a smooth momentum using a factor of 12. Like, that may sound kind of complicated, but it is really simple, especially when it's all put into this one tool. And it's a great way to it's a great momentum indicator, and it's a great way to get ahead of other signals. So let's just get down into it. I'll zoom in on some of these here in a little bit, but let me explain. So the way it works, so we've got two factors here. These are all, you can't really tell, but these are all dots. These green in the middle, those are a bunch of green dots and red dots. So when it's red, that means it's in the squeeze, and the green, that first green dot will mean a squeeze release. Now on the flip side, we've got this histogram that fluctuates. Kind of looks like perhaps a MACD histogram. That's not what it is. That's just the direction of that smooth momentum. And the way we trade it is, when we see a squeeze like this is kind of a little one. That first green dot we see, that's where we want to, this is the direction in which we want to trade. So in this case, we want to buy here. So we're buying, and then we're selling here on that histogram reversal. Now sometimes you'll see it go higher and reverse. That might mean another buy signal. See, in this trade you can go from, let's say, high here of, or let's use this one, yeah, high here of 206.20 with a low entering 175.7. That's what, almost 31 points, something like that, in one trade. And this is a daily chart, so these will be daily squeezes. You can use 30-minute, 1 hour, whatever time frame you want. So let's look at the flip side here. So this is a trading to the downside. So we see that histogram moving downward. We're waiting for that squeeze release. Boom, first green dot here. That's our signal. That's where we want to place that trade. So here we're selling short, maybe buying puts, and then covering down here. So like I said, this is a great momentum tool. Let's zoom in. This one's let's see, here's a good one right here. Alright, so we've got our red dots here. First green dot, this is where we want to buy. Maybe we miss it and we buy here. You got a low of 180.11, and we're not selling. Let's use the high there, 197.78. And this is just a daily chart. That's in what, 2 trading weeks. So pretty good move there. And then we see it move even higher right here, although it's a kind of a shorter trade. We see that one red dot, and then we see it move higher. So let's zoom back out. I'll show you a example on the low side here. Alright, so this just recently happened. We see the squeeze coming. We see the histogram move negative, and then that's our signal right here. So we got a high here of 184.5, and let's say we wait till the histogram reversal here, low of 174.36. So pretty decent move for that time frame. And you don't have to wait till this signal to get out. you can get out at any point before. This is just a really good momentum indicator, really good signal to use, called TTM Squeeze, and I highly recommend it.